Hi, this is Bee Leng from the Burning Kitchen. Recently, we have done a survey on our Facebook group. Majority of the people indicated they want soya sauce chicken. So today, I'm going to teach you how to prepare this simple dish. Many years back, my late father used to bring us to the most famous and popular soya sauce chicken shop. Whenever we go there, we have to wait for about an hour, because the queue was super long, it's so famous. And you see all the cars are lined up, along the road just to tapao back home. Years later, what happened? There were many other of these soya sauce chicken shops that sprang up along the same road. There started the war, called the soya sauce chicken war, like a Laksa war in Katong, you remember? I try to do my own, yeah, so I don't have to join in the war, yeah. So these are all the ingredients that are needed. To make a very good soya sauce chicken, first of all, you must buy fresh chicken. Don't buy the frozen one. I bought this chicken here today from the market. It's about 1.4 kilo. Okay, when you buy a chicken, you make sure you look at this crown, right? Not too big. If it's too big, it's a cockroach. It will be tough. So the next important ingredient is this sauce. The main thing of the soy sauce chicken is in the sauce. So you need to have a very good sauce. This is a premium sauce. This bottle cost me $10.80, compared to the others, which is less than $5. Okay. Okay, so first of all, I got to remove all the innard from the chicken cavity, which I've already done. Then after removing, you rub it with coarse salt to exfoliate, the skin so that the yellow membrane, all be removed, and also the chicken smell will also be gone. After when you cook, the skin will be very smooth and tender. I guess after you massage the chicken, I know the chicken feel very relaxed, so the meat will be very nice, right? So now I've already rinsed the chicken, wash it clean. Now I need to dry it like this with the kitchen towel. And then you rub the chicken with 1 teaspoon of salt and also 1 tablespoon of the soya sauce and marinate it for about half an hour. So as usual, you have to lock in the wing like this. So later on, you're able to take it, leave it up with the chopstick like this. Then I remove the skin from the shallot and the garlic, and I just bruise it with a chopper slightly. Next, I will add in 1 tablespoon of hot water into 1 tablespoon of maltose to make it into a syrup. Okay, now I'm going to teach you one tip. When you are cooking chicken rice chicken or soy sauce chicken, it's better to use a pot that fit exactly the whole chicken that goes in, so that you don't have to put in so much water to cover. Because you have to cover the chicken at least 3/4. Okay, whereas this pot, you see the circumference, the opening is so big and so wide, so you need a lot more water. The soup will be very diluted, it's not sweet anymore. Remember that, okay? That's a very good tips. In a pot, I will add in now a tablespoon of oil over medium heat. Then add in the garlic, onion, cinnamon stick, star anise, bay leaf, ginger, and fry until aromatic. Then add in about a liter of water, soya sauce, spring onion, rock sugar, and bring it to a boil over high heat. Then you dunk the chicken 3 times into the sauce and lift it up. And finally, you just put the whole chicken in, turn the heat to low and slow cook the chicken because you want the sauce to penetrate through to the chicken. And you have to turn it every 10 minutes. You turn the heat into high heat to complete the cooking process for another about 10 to 15 minutes. Turn off the heat and let the chicken sit there for another 10 minutes or so. And transfer the chicken onto the plate. Quickly brush the chicken with the maltose syrup while it is still hot. Okay, lastly, you brush the chicken with some 绍兴酒 or rose rice wine. In Chinese called 玫瑰露酒. See, look at this. How juicy it is. Remember I told you after massaging, so smooth and tender. Very good. Normally I don't eat chicken skin, but today I will break the rule. Okay, look at this. Bang, 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 bang. Wow, 这么滑. Wanna have a bite? Look at this pot of sauce here. Wow, what a waste. No, it is not. You can recycle it many times. No, this is a tip for you. Filter it, take away all the spices, and then just keep the sauce in the fridge. By tomorrow, you find that there's a layer of oil that form on top. Just remove it and then warm up this, and then put in the chicken wing or chicken thigh, whatever you want to do. Just put it and braise it for maybe like 15 to 20 minutes, and there you go. Because this sauce is so flavorful, because all the sweetness, all the flavor from the chicken is already in this sauce. So don't throw away, there's no wastage. So you want to have a taste of it, try and see, and post it to my page, okay? See you in the next time. I hope you like it. Okay, lastly, you brush the chicken with some 绍兴酒 or rice wine. Again! Rice, forgot the rose. It should be rose rice wine. It's a tongue twister. I cannot twist my tongue, properly.